Hello. So today I'm trying to do something different. So what I was doing is I tried this Mario game. So actually I wanted to learn how this Mario game was created. So this guy has created this Mario game version of that, and he has put his own version on GitHub. So what I did is I tried this to download it and compiled and see how the code works. So okay, let's do one thing first. Mm, yeah. Actually, there is still some problem because of the display view what I have, but I'll show you something different. So these are some breakpoints which I have put. So this is the real first version of Mario, which I modified a lot of things. So I'll tell you how and what I did to modify this. So let me see what things are there. I am not good Mario player first of all. See, these are all the blocks which I have put. So and for my convenience, I have put one exit door here, so I don't have to complete the level. So this is how Mario game works, right? So now I'm at level 3. But close this. I don't want to show you how I play Mario. I want to show you something else. So this is Mario editor. Let me first start this program. Okay. Something I okay. Okay. So this is the Mario level editor. What you can do here is actually you can put your own graphic objects and you can create your own level. So what we'll do right now is we'll create a simple Mario level like this. It takes a lot of time to do this, right? But what I want to show you is not this how to do it. I want to show you something more, that how to create your own object into this one and how different objects are being classified. So I'll take you to the code how that is done. Just give me simple some minutes before I okay. I'm done. I'll put the exit gate here. I don't want to go forward. Okay. This is the exit gate. This is our Mario hero. We'll start from here. Let's some characters here. Okay, this character over here and to here. And this is one yes bank image which I created. So I wanted to create something different, but okay. So this is one yes bank image also I created, and this is a moving block. I create two moving blocks, three moving blocks. Okay, and I'm not creating pipe and all these things. So I'll tell you how this objects have been divided. Okay, let's first save this level. So let's put this name as save. I put a lot of places breakpoints. Okay, all my effort are wasted now. I was supposed to click save as. So these are problems in this code, but it's okay. So let me do one thing. Let me open one level. Okay. So let me quickly open the CS level which I already created. Okay. So me remove this some extra things from this. Okay, and I'll put some coins. And I will put this guy. I'll not kill this. I'll put some this also. It feels a little bit good, right? If these characters are there. Okay, and I'll click on save now. Okay, so this is my level created. Now I will explain you how this objects are there, and then I will show you how we run these objects. Okay, so I'll just close this code for now. So this was our level editor, and we have created our own level. So then after we can create more levels, and then we can go for it. Okay, so I'll close this file for now. And okay, so this was level editor was there. I'll close all documents. So this is our main Mario objects, and this is our main game form actually, where the game gets loaded here, and here the lives, coins, and everything comes here. Okay, so the main thing now here is first is you have to get some good images. So these are actually pre-downloaded image from that same Git repository. These are not my images. So what they have done is they have different images of Mario at different level, and at the runtime they crop it and they show you how the levels are there. Okay, so these are the items like coin. So coin has a GIF, right? If you remember, the coin keeps on moving, right? So I'll show you when we are playing the game. So this is for flower. So if you remember the flower which comes out and throws the and this is the must life, one is green and one is red, both are different, right? These are blocks. So this is one beer block which I created. Was not there. This is the brick what we are showing over there. This is the grass. Okay, and this is exit. So this is the exit gate. So these are all the images are there. So you can put it images the way you want. Okay, now these are the background images. So currently this is the same background which we are going to use now. So there are multiple backgrounds, so you can change the background image also actually. Okay, so these are another different ways of background what they have provided. So this is, I don't want to go into this is a different library, but this is what is main objective. So they have created this as a different game objects. So if you see, coin is a animated graphic object. Okay, now same way exit block is a static graphic object. Okay, so if you know what is animated graphic object, then when we show the coin image, there are multiple images of the coin were available. So whenever the animation keeps on changing, they keep on changing the animation of that. So they keep on changing the x and y value. So you can see here. Okay, you can see here the x and y values of that keeps on changing. So it keeps on changing the different images over here. Let me once again open this one. So if you see different why different images keeps on coming. So it looks like that it is getting animated different colors of this sections of this image keeps on coming, right? So you have an animated coin works. Okay, and this is the coin block. So on moving coin, when you the object gets initialized, what are the properties you are setting, and this is a timer event set for every 100 milliseconds. So you will see the animation of that coin moving at every 100 millisecond. Okay, now coming to, yeah, coming back to the code. Okay, so actually these are the base objects. So what they have divided this base object into multiple. One is animated base object, one is static base object, and then a moving animated object. So moving objects are the one which the Mario comes and then the other characters are coming, which keeps on moving, right? So for them also the image is similar. So if you go to images for items like this, where is it? Monsters. This one Goomba, right? So this is also the same. It keeps on moving different angles. It keeps on moving. When you jump on it, it gets down, and then when you click, it goes the down and it runs right. Same way this one. So you can really look at how this images gets changed when you do different things on the same object, right? So this is there. So if you want to create your own animation object, or you can derive it from any of these base objects. So what I have done is I have created this Yes Bank image. So Yes object, I derived it from the static object, and I have put it as a object type. No, this is bull. Sorry, I clicked on yes. Why this bull is coming? 1 second. Go to yes. Go to find all references. Looks like I put that into a different object. Hmm, okay. Looks like I made some mistake over here then. And what is the code written in bull? Hmm, this is bull image. Okay. I've written the different codes at different places. Sorry. So in bull image I've written the yes bank code. In yes bank I've written the bull image code. Okay. So this is a simple object. I have not done anything. I've just assigned the object type to this. Okay. Now comes the different. So this is mhm. One is you have to go to image generator. So whenever you create a new image, you go to image generator and you give this image as a type. Okay. And same thing for here. So what they have done is they are creating objects based on this static methods. Get any object and this one set any object. So they are objects. So in that you have to give your object whatever is there. Okay, so same thing for, so what are the new objects you create? You have to create an object over here and you have to give it over here. Okay, so and this image generator class is used when your level editor is getting called. So when you're in the left side of the screen, if you remember, you are seeing all the objects over there. So this is there. So you create the objects and in the assembly manifest, they read these objects from there. So if you see this, yes, bitmap, it gets read from here. Image blocks, yes. So what happens is actually when you add this image here, you add this here. So image blocks and then yes. Okay, and yes.png, and then you have to go here and set that embedded resource. So this is now an embedded resource in the assembly. So this is an embedded resource, and you don't need to have it separately installed over there. It will be part of the DLL. So then after they can retrieve it from the DLL and they can load it. Okay. So they will create a on-fly bitmap image for that, and that bitmap image will be stored on in memory. And whenever requested, that bitmap image will be returned. So you can see here the instances of those bitmap images are there, right? So you have to create the bitmap images here, classes, and then that image gets initialized from this library. Okay. Now the main part comes is Mario. So this is the Mario class. Now this is the intersection. This is the very basic but very interesting method to be seen. So this is the interaction. So what happens is when Mario object is intersection with any existing objects on the screen. So if Mario object gets intersect with exit object, and if the press enter is being pressed, then you go to a new level. Else you keep on standing on the door, but nothing happens. Okay. So what I change here for yes is when you go and intersect with yes. So if Mario is a small, I try to create a Mario as a big Mario, and I try to play a sound. I don't know in this video recording you will get the sound of the game or not. And these are number of coin collected. So I'm increasing the number of coin collected whenever you go to yes bank. Okay. So this is how very basic way I try to add something and try to play something with this. So my total idea was very different. I want to add a bull image, a bear image, and the Yes Bank image because Yes Bank is nowadays very volatile stock, right? Some days it's on upper circuit, whereas some days it's on lower circuit. So, but okay, I'm not able to complete it right now, but I'll complete it someday. Okay. So when it will come, it is another story. But this is how it is. Okay, so I have added this. So if you guys want to play or you want to create your own Mario levels, you can do with this. Okay, and this is image generator utils are there. So if you're playing with this object, you can see, and then these are the sounds. So these are different sounds are there. So whenever you're collecting a coin, this is the sound being played. So different level sounds are getting played. Okay. So, okay, now we have saved that file, right? Let me check where did I save that file. 1 second. So let's play that file. Where did I save that file? And what name it was? Hmm, no, it's not here. Just a minute. Where did I save it? Hmm, this is the place where I saved it, right? Okay. So this is Mario Objects of Brain. Okay, then it's okay. Now there is one thing I have to change it. I have to go to level manager here. Okay, and I have to change it. So Mario lives are 4 and current level I will again set it to 0. Okay, and 4 Mario lives is okay. By default they are 3. Let it be 3. Okay, and let me go and play Mario object. Set startup object. Let's go here. Yeah. So this is the level what we created initially, right? See, one level left went away. I touched that object. Somehow I'm not a good. See now my Mario is big. So now I have 4 coins. If I go here, I'll get. Oh, I'm not getting coins. And there is a bug in my code. Um, oh, I was not able to complete. Now the last life. Okay, I'm playing a little bit better. Okay, I was able to. Okay, and now my level is complete. Okay, so now I move to next level. So this is how you play with this Mario game object. You create your own level and do it. I'm not much good in Mario, so anyhow you would have now made out. But at least now I can play something and I can finish all the levels whatever I create. Right? Okay. Thank you very much.